ahead and start off with the base, and I bought this Wet n Wild paint pot. It's in the color red. Oh, by the way, I already covered my brows, and I'll link the video that I followed step by step. It was by Lucy Garland, I think is her name. So I'll link the video that I used to learn how to cover my brows. I honestly don't know exactly where this look is gonna go. I just know I wanted to do something like this, so we'll see what happens. I want to start with the foundation brush and see how that works. Finished my base, and the coverage is really nice, and I really like the color of red that it ended up coming out to be. It does feel really like thick, so I am gonna set it. But before I do, I also bought a black paint pot from Wet n Wild as well, and I kind of want to use this to contour my face. Go back in and contour a little more. My nose, it was really hard to contour, I think, just because the actual paint pot, the red one, is really thick. So maybe I'll just contour my nose with powder. But next I kind of want to like highlight or conceal, whatever. And I bought this white makeup from a Halloween store. It's from Spirit. It's the cream makeup no smudge. So I'm going to take some of this and mix it with the red to conceal / highlight my face. Alright, you guys, I'm pretty much done with the base, and I'm really happy about how it came out. I feel like it looks like there's like dimension and stuff, so don't buy this shit. This is so bad. It literally just like clumped up under my eyes, and I got this brush and I just like brushed it away. It was so gross, so don't buy this. I ended up just getting, for the white, a white eyeliner that I had, and just kind of warmed it up in the back of my hand, and then just got this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I would pick it up with my hand, with the brush, and just start like buffing it into the areas I wanted to highlight. So I really like that technique instead. There was also white ones of these, but I didn't end up picking it up for some reason. So if you try out this look, I just recommend maybe just buying the white one of this version, but don't buy the Spirit makeup. That was so bad. So next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and set, I don't know if you can see, but there's still like clumps on my face of the white. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to use this RCMA powder, and I'm going to, first I think I'm going to set under my eyes, and I'm going to do so with a beauty blender. And Bros Productions. much set my whole face. I also ended up kind of baking a little bit underneath my eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and set the cream contour that I did. And I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this Shade and Light eye palette. And I'm going to be taking the black in the palette. And to contour, I'm going to take the small tapered brush by e.l.f. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeshadow, and I'm not too sure exactly how much eyeshadow or how crazy I want to get with my eyeshadow, so I'm just going to go ahead and take some black and start applying this into my crease, and then I'll see where I go from there. I just applied it into my crease, and then I kind of just dragged it out towards the outer portion of my eye. And now I'm going to take an even more precise crease brush, and I'm going to deepen up the crease. I'm going to go back into the red paint pot that I started with, and so for my eyeshadow, the first brush I used was the Morphe E28, and then to apply it a little bit more precisely into my crease, I used the Morphe E17, and I think I'm going to go ahead and like cut my crease using the red paint pot, and this is the Morphe E32. Applied some lashes. I applied my favorite, the Salon Perfect 630 lash, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing. I think I'm gonna do like a really thick like wing liner, so I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my lips. I'm not too sure if I want to do like eyebrows yet. I don't know if I want to do like a liquid line, like a little, I don't know, I'm still debating if I want to do anything to my brows, but first I want to go ahead and fill in my lips. So I'm going to try to do like a nude lip, I guess. So first I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this Urban Decay Perversion. It's in the color Perversion. It's the 24/7 Glide On pencil. Done with my lips, and I really like how they came out. So I pretty much just lined my lips with the eyeliner, filled it in with red lipstick, and then I took the white eyeliner again and I just highlighted the tops of my lips, and then I added a bunch of clear gloss. And it looks really cute. I think I want to add some eyeshadow to my lower lash line, a little bit of black. So now I'm going to take, I'm going to do my brows. I think I am going to do my brows, but I'm nervous. I think I'm kind of going to go for like a chola kind of brow. I'm going to do it with with a liquid eyeliner. How that looks, just like a really thin brow. I think I even want to add like a little mole. You guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the rest of my chest with red. I'm gonna take my necklace. You guys, I love this look. I didn't think I was gonna like it. It's so hard to tell if it's gonna come out cute when you just have like a plain ass red face. Okay, I'm gonna add red to my whole chest. Can I be this for Halloween? Like, actually be this for Halloween? This is really cute. Yo, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna add a wig. I bought this wig at Spirit. The wig's actually cute. I recommend buying your wigs there. They're actually really cheap. Okay. I'm just gonna put my hair in a really low bun. If I was actually going out and having to wear this wig, I would like bobby pin it to make the bun really flat. But since I'm just need a picture, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And see. I'm like really proud of myself. This is really cute. Sure. Oh my god, so many people are walking by my window. It's annoying as fuck. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so cute. It looks so fucking cute. Holy shit. Who is she? I'll put it off to the side. You guys, and then I bought these at Spirit too. They're like hair clips. They also had damn, I don't think I like these now because you can see the clip. You guys, this is so cute. Okay. I wish I would have bought the just like the headband or whatever, because you can see clip. Ugh. I'm probably just gonna like edit it out off my picture. First, I just want to fix this wig. Am I gonna? Yeah. Fill it in my whole ear and the inside. You guys, this is gonna take 300 years to fucking take off. I'm just gonna do both ears, just in case. Okay. These clips are so stupid. Don't get the clips, get the headband. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. I love it so much. Alright, you guys, so that's gonna be the end of this tutorial. I threw on a wig and these clips I bought at Spirit. I recommend not buying the clips though, because you can just like I don't know how to make it. It's just hard when you're wearing a wig. Maybe if it was your own hair, you'd be able to like hide them, but yeah. I love this. Oh my god, I hope you guys try this for Halloween or like a Halloween party and tag me. It'd be so cute if you tagged me. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what other Halloween makeup looks you want me to do. I have one other look in mind that I want to do, but if you guys like let me know other looks, I'll do more than just one other one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.